As you're all aware, hair dyes can cause side effects in a small number of those who use it. I've done a video before on the various adverse effects of hair dyes and the ways we can prevent it. The main ingredient that seems to cause the problem is PPD or paraphenylene diamine. Another very disturbing side effect of commercial hair dyes is facial pigmentation. Please refer to this video for more information on this topic. So what can we do to avoid problems associated with commercial hair dyes? Hi, my name is Dr.Yesudian, a consultant dermatologist based in the UK. In a series of videos, I plan to look at the various natural hair dyes that we can use that may avoid the side effects of synthetic hair dyes. Today we'll look at coffee as a potential natural hair dye. Coffee is the most widely consumed herb in the world. Traditionally, it is used to treat flu in Brazil and diarrhea and asthma in Africa. Coffee is known to have antioxidant, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Brewed coffee can be used as a natural hair dye to deepen brown shades or to add color to white hair. It works well for covering grays and providing a rich, multi-toned effect. The acidity of coffee can help to open up the cuticle and therefore deposit the color more evenly. Let's look at the mechanism by which coffee can help hair color. It's a temporary hair dye, which means it sits only on the surface of the hair cuticle and is not absorbed into the hair cortex. It is held on the surface by weak forces, which are called van der Waals forces, and this is easily removed, and that's the reason why coffee applications do not last after more than 6 to 10 showers or shampooings. Here's how you can use coffee to color your hair. Brew a strong coffee. Use 2 to 3 times the normal amount of coffee ground when brewing. The stronger the coffee, the more intense the color will be. You can use any type of coffee, but darker roast will give you a richer color. Then allow the coffee to cool down to room temperature or slightly warmer. You don't want it to be too hot while applying it on your hair. Next, prepare your hair. Shampoo your hair and leave it damp but not dripping wet. You can add a tablespoon or 2 of coffee ground directly to the brewed coffee if extra color intensity is desired. Finally, apply the coffee. Section your hair and use a brush or your hands to apply the cooled coffee evenly from roots to the ends. Make sure to fully saturate your hair with coffee. Cover your hair with a plastic cap or wrap it in a towel or plastic wrap. Leave the coffee on your hair for 1 to 2 hours or even overnight for more dramatic effect. Then rinse and wash. After the desired processing time, rinse your hair thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water to remove the coffee. Wash your hair with a mild sulfate-free shampoo to remove any residual coffee which is sitting on the hair. Apply a deep conditioning treatment to help lock in the color and moisture. Then style your hair as normal. The coffee will add a rich, warm tone and depth to your hair, particularly enhancing darker shades like brown or black, which is what most Asians have. The longer you leave the coffee on your hair, the deeper and more long-standing the color will be. It is always a good idea to perform a strand test first to check that the color result is acceptable to you and to ensure that you don't develop any adverse effects to the use of coffee on the hair. Coffee is generally safe for most hair types, but remember that it can cause a bit of dryness and brittleness with continuous or long-term use. The potential of coffee taken both internally and externally to stimulate hair growth and to benefit the skin, particularly for anti-aging, has been well established in previous research which has been published recently. Remember that coffee is not a permanent solution for hair color. However, with regular use, it can stain your hair to a dark brown color and mask your grays. Coffee's accessibility and low cost therefore makes it a very attractive proposition to explore as a potential natural hair colorer. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for listening and bye.